Hello and welcome. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to another coin review. This one is slightly different in the sense that it is a single coin and it's not of these shores. This is, in fact, if you read the address, it's Melbourne, which means it's an Australian coin. It's one that was issued this year in 2022. And it is a coin that has a 60,000 mintage. So if I take it out of its protective envelope, you'll see that it is. Let me just, whoops, it's too far. Let's get down a bit more. It is in fact an Australian coin, and it shows Queen Elizabeth II on it, and it is issued in 2022, which is right, as I thought. This actually is a commemorative coin that's been issued for 200 years of agricultural industrial work, and it is in fact one that's surrounded in one form of farming, and that is honeybee, and it is a coloured coin, and around the centre there we have the honeycomb, which is coloured and looks strikingly wonderful in the orange and yellow. But on the two sides here, yes, I think that's probably the best way of showing it here. There's a honeycomb in the centre, which is orange and yellow, and then going up along the two sides are two bees. And underneath is the value, I think, yeah, $2 in written language. The bees themselves are, once you pick them out, you can't mistake them. They go up the gold side of the coin around the centre part. There's one bee on each side. The honeybee starts around about 11 o'clock and goes down to around 7, and on the other side it's 1 o'clock and goes down to about 4 o'clock. The value, as I said, is written rather than numeric values on the bottom of the coin. This coin has a mintage, as I say, of 60,000. It's one of several that's been bought out for agricultural work. So hopefully I'm not sure if this is actually, as I say, a 60,000 coin, 60,000 mintage. I'm not sure if there is actually a circulating coin. This one is a UNC, an uncirculated coin. I think it might even be a BUNC coin. What do you think of this coin? Do you want it in your collection? I'm very glad to have it in my collection. Oops. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this coin. I thought it was wonderful when I saw it. I think I first saw it on a UK channel on Dave Northeastern Coins when he showed one. I already had mine on order at that point, but it took a little while to come through. If you've enjoyed this review of this coin, please give me the thumbs up, and I'll be delighted if you would consider subscribing to the channel. I am trying to get to 100 by Christmas, and your help will be greatly appreciated. It doesn't cost you anything, so please, if you believe I deserve it, give me your subscription, and I'll enjoy having you watch videos in the future on coins, banknotes, collectibles, and of course militaria. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins that you need and want. If you are buying coins, I hope you get the coins that you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something in the next week that you want to watch. And in the meantime, until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.